Welcome again to our another series of our lesson for Ansible, and we tackle all about uh, Ansible variable. And right now, ang tatalakayan po natin is more in conditional. Okay, so if you are not new in the programming languages, so meron po tayong mga tinatawag na conditions like if conditions, which conditions, and uh, even yung for each. So we have here sa ating Ansible. So nagagamit pa rin natin siya throughout sa ating mga tasks natin. Okay? And right now, if you can see right now sa aking desktop is I uh, pulled the repo from my lesson 5 na topic, and we're going to discuss uh, one of them. Okay? I-notice ngayon, Ansible 101 po tayo. Okay? And then we're going to go to sa lesson 5. Okay? Ang laman po niya nito is meron po tayong readme. Pwede ninyong gawing reference yan kasi dito din gagawin natin yung nasa readme natin na description. So same goes, meron pa rin tayong inventory, meron pa rin tayong roles, custom roles, the task, the variable. Okay, so if you're going to check yung ating uh, VI na natin guys, yung roles, and then custom role, and then task, main.yaml. So ito ngayon is, ito pa yung sample ng ano po natin, sample po ng condition natin. So if you wonder na sa, sa mga programming we use uh, if else, which, okay, and switch like that. So sa ating Ansible is very simple lang. Uh, we need to put only sa bottom na condition is when. Okay? Meron po tayong nakalagay na installation Apache flag, which is ito po yung ating variable po natin. Okay? Saan po natin makakita itong variable is nandito po sa task. Instead of task, going back tayo sa bars. Okay. And then main. Okay. Ito po siya. So, naka-false po siya. Okay. So, right now, going back here sa ating task, ang gagawin kasi natin is to have a conditions na mag install yung ating Apache sa ating host server na name is web server. Okay. So, apt, ang gagawin natin is we use package of apt because ito po yung by default by Debian na ginagamit for installing, okay? apt. And then Apache. So I stated absent because kanina I removed the Apache server. Okay? So sa ngayon, if we're going to check here, yung ating web server, i-grep po natin siya. So ngayon wala tayo, di ba? Okay. Wala yan. So for us na magiging true yan, na may install niya siya, may install yung ating Apache, which is yung condition natin is true, kailangan natin palitan ito. Okay? Wait. Kailangan muna natin siyang i-present. And then, yung sa bars naman natin. Okay? Natin siyang true. Okay? Yan po yung condition niya. Okay? At ngayon is we are ready for uh, see the output sa ating i-installan kasi yun nga ang condition natin is kung hindi na-install yung Apache natin server for our server, so i-install niya. Pag hindi, so wala siyang gagawin, okay? And same pa rin yung gagawin pa natin for playing, run the playbook is yung check nyo yung gan guys, yung ating run playbook. Okay? So ngayon, irarun na niya. Yan. So okay na. And then he going to install the Apache. Since nung makita natin yung Apache natin dito sa ating web server na virtual, is hindi siya naka-install. Right now, meron na to siya. Pag tatapos na siya. Okay? Yan. Change daw. Okay. So if you're going to check this one, yan. Di ba? Meron po tayong Apache. Okay? I-grep natin. Yan. So you see the conditions if you're going to set it true and then present. So nag-meet yung condition natin na if ever the server itself didn't install a web server, so i-install niya. So pag wala, so wala siyang gagawin. Okay? Bale, ang gagawin niya is to move on sa next task niya. Okay? And that would be it. So I'm going to discuss ano naman, yung another condition natin na matutunan natin. Okay?